Do you want to learn guitar and be able to play all of your favorite worship songs with ease? Hi, I'm Aaron Anastasi, and I've been a worship leader and guitar instructor for over 20 years. I've traveled a lot, led worship for thousands and thousands of people, while also helping people all over the world to learn guitar quickly and easily so that they can play worship songs and even become worship leaders themselves. If you want to learn how to play guitar while also playing tons of popular worship songs without any of the normal frustration that comes with learning guitar, then I want you to pay close attention for the next few minutes. Because I'm confident that what I'm about to show you will help you to learn guitar, including developing rhythm guitar, how to hold chords, improve your accuracy and precision, train your ear, discover how to create chord progressions, learn guitar dynamics so you sound like a pro, unlock many different strumming patterns, and most importantly, learning how to start playing a lot of your favorite worship songs quickly. If you're like me, you don't want to spend hours and hours a day just practicing scales on guitar. You'd rather be learning how to play songs. Unfortunately, many guitar teachers and programs are nothing more than just random lessons that teach you nothing more than how to play a bunch of boring scales, and a lot of times they make the learning curve much more difficult than it needs to be. On the other hand, my guitar learning method is designed for beginner guitarists, and even more specifically for the average person who wants to learn guitar quickly, without frustration, and with the ultimate goal of being able to play worship songs. I'll tell you in just a minute how you can start learning guitar using my methods. First, I want to tell you quickly how this program came to be. Like I said, I've been a worship leader for almost 20 years, starting way back when I was in junior high, and over the years I've had a lot of people ask me to teach them how to play guitar. When I first started teaching guitar, I would do like most guitar teachers and have my students learn some chords and practice scales. However, I noticed that almost every person I taught wanted to skip straight to the learning worship songs that I was playing in the churches, youth camps, and summer camps. I realized that having someone practice scales all day wasn't really going to get them any closer to their goal. So I set out to develop a step-by-step guitar method that would teach somebody only what they needed to know so that I could start teaching them songs as quickly as possible. And since almost all my students were absolute beginners coming in, I wanted to make it simple enough that anyone could pick up guitar quickly and be playing songs in a matter of days and weeks rather than months. Playing worship songs, and especially playing acoustic guitar, is a much different learning experience than if you wanted to be a lead electric guitarist. And while I do teach some skills that will help you learn lead guitar, I developed a course that would get people playing guitar quickly, learning chords that work together, mastering the art of rhythm guitar, and learning how to add tons of guitar dynamics to their playing so that they can make great songs really come alive. Guitar is a lot more fun to learn and play when you can actually make progress quickly and start playing songs. So I developed what I call a cheat chord system that will teach you how to play the 4 most popular chords found in almost all worship songs in just a matter of days. And I also developed some simple techniques that will develop your muscle memory so that you can play these chords without even having to think about it. It will become like second nature to you. This is where you'll really start seeing progress in your guitar playing and begin adding more advanced techniques to your playing. And most importantly, I started teaching worship songs in a step-by-step way that show you how to play each part of the song, including the best way to hold each chord, the proper strumming pattern for each part of the song, and which techniques you should use to create the right feel for the song. Because that's what my Play Worship Guitar course is all about. Teaching you exactly what you need to do in the proper order to start playing guitar so that you can be playing all your favorite worship songs quickly. I'll give you the step-by-step blueprint for getting your guitar playing off the ground, and I'll give you a bunch of worship song lessons where I'll show you exactly how to play many of your favorite worship songs. And best of all, I'm always searching out new worship songs and creating new video lessons to add to the members area so you always have a new song to learn. And I'm so confident that you will quickly learn guitar using my methods and love learning worship songs that I'm going to let you try it out the entire program for a full 60 days at my risk. If at any point you feel like this isn't a good fit for you and you aren't learning guitar and worship songs faster than any other method, then I'll happily give you a full courteous refund of every penny you've paid. Look, I realize that not all people are going to learn as quickly as my other students, and if that happens, I wouldn't feel right about having you pay for it. And that's why I'm offering you this 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So to get instant access to my Play Worship Guitar course program, which includes step-by-step video lessons so you can play along with me and learn guitar, as well as video lessons teaching you exactly how to play new worship songs every month, absolutely risk-free, simply click on that Add to Cart button you see on this page. You'll get instant access, and I can't wait to start teaching you how to play guitar and many great worship songs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.